welcome to this brand new video series where we're going to be taking a dive into deploying a Tomcat web application to Azure App Service. Whether you're a developer building web apps for business or personal projects, this series is designed to give you hands-on working knowledge about getting your Java-based application up and running in the cloud. Web applications are at the heart of every modern business and user experience. They power everything from accounting and inventory tracking to interactive user portals. In fact, YouTube is one of the most popular web applications that a huge percentage of the world accesses to learn, but also for entertainment. To bring these apps to life, knowing how to deploy them efficiently is just as important as building them. In this module, we'll explore the step-by-step process of deploying a Tomcat web application. We'll start by creating and deploying the app locally using Maven, then take it to the next level by deploying it to Azure App Service, a fully managed platform that takes the hassle out of managing infrastructure offered by Microsoft Azure. By the end of the series, you'll not only understand how to deploy a Tomcat web application, but also gain a solid foundation for deploying apps to the cloud using Azure. Before we get started, let's make sure that you're set up with all the correct tools and devices that you'll need in order to be successful in this module. We will be using the Java Development Kit 21, JDK 21. However, 17 should also work just as fine. If you don't have it installed, you can download it from the official Oracle or OpenJDK website. In addition, you'll want to make sure that you have Apache Maven downloaded. Maven is a powerful build automation tool that we'll use to manage dependencies, compile the code, package the application. So make sure Maven is installed and add it to your system's path. Next, you'll want to make sure that you have Apache Tomcat Server. This is the application server where you'll deploy your web app locally. Download and install Tomcat 10 or later and ensure it's configured and running on your local machine. In addition, an IDE or a text editor is necessary in this module. We'll be using VS Code, but IntelliJ, Eclipse, any of those other tools will work as well. And then finally, having a basic knowledge of understanding of Java and HTML will definitely help you with these upcoming video series. It's not a requirement, but it'll just help you better understand what's going on. But don't worry if this is your first time taking a dab at HTML, Java, or even your first web app. We'll walk you through the steps, a foundational understanding of Java programming, and basic web technologies like HTML to help you follow along more efficiently. And finally, if you choose to clone the project from Azure samples, you will require Git to be installed on your local machine. With these prerequisites ready, you'll be able to follow along seamlessly as we build, deploy, and scale our application. Ready to get started? Let's dive in and create our first simple Tomcat Java web application.